was about 96 as we crawled into the beige world. Colors of oranges and reds and blues and purple of wide range of answer. He said he asked for together master's cage for once and for all. Show him your way for my life. For he does not wait for patience. He must learn to avoid everyone, everything he adores. Because it is manly, it's manly, oh, it's manly. It's manly to be so guy. No family, no kids, manly. I know that sounds, you think about yourself and where you are. Wanna preach you ask some questions, wanna die. Some kind of way you understand your demise and it's rising in you. Follow, question you, that's where the purpose is in the brain. For how do you and I only ask for what of the known? Now you are captain, bless me to know it so I can one thing I still haven't filled. Got you a dream, deep in my veins, deep in my veins, still going alive. Deep in my veins, make sure don't take all that money. Deep in my veins, feeling alright. Deep in my veins, never deep in my veins. Oh, God's eyes making a land. Bright still with the answer to this question. Whoa, make it drown. What do you have thought? The demon of the demon eye. The demon of the is it possible next this selection you will find beige world? We live this puzzle or we live this life. We live a life wide range of it, not concerning with each other's love. Only in sharing our thoughts. Masters being held in life for once and life. So when we crawl, we are. As long as our Lord's praise will be lifted our thoughts, He must learn to avoid curse everyone about everything He's all over. The game of life, God is so great. Manly, oh, it's manly. Really, God is so cool. Manly piece of God. No, the fireflies, the dragon's eyes, the locust in the wind. What if I know too much about the bless me to know it so I can one thing I still have is Illinois. Deep in my veins, Illinois.